First, with the T30, let's remove this cover. And right on top of the intake manifold, you've got the filter next to the power steering reservoir. If you have a closer look, you can see the first return line, which comes into the filter and then returns back into the fuel tank. And you've got the input line, which will suck in the fuel, go through the filter, and then it will be delivered to the fuel pump in front of the engine through this line. So I'm going to remove this output line to make more space in here so I can twist this cover. Let's see. Okay, so I broke that safety clip, but it doesn't matter because this thing is very stuck in here and there's not a lot of pressure. It's very important to be sealed though, as I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm going to use this oil socket, which can fit on a lot of sizes, and let's see if we can remove this cap. Okay, so here we've got the cap. Around here we've got a gasket, which is very, very important because this unit must be sealed in order for the pumps to suck the fuel in from the fuel tank. Because if there is a leak here, if there is, for example, an air leak here, then the suction which is created by the pumps will basically suck in air instead of fuel. So it's very important to replace this gasket together with the filter. That's probably the most important information you can get from this video. So let's take out the filter. I'm going to place the filter a little bit like so, so all the fuel will come out. Here is the part number if you need it. Okay, so the new filter comes with a new gasket. Let's just place it in. It's important to check the cap as well for any physical damage or stuff like that, and everything looks good. Now the filter goes with this hole up, so just place it in there. Make sure that the filter as well has the gasket around. Let's seal very well this cap, like that, and reconnect the input line. Alright, so this job was quite easy. If you have this car, check out the other videos I made about it. It's gonna be a playlist in the description below. And until next time, take care and I will see you soon.